So if you were a grown up in the 90s, I need you to step forward. Cause why did y'all let half wigs fall off? Okay. Now I concealed this beautiful lady's face cause she don't deserve this. Baby, they just tossed that wig on her head and was through with it. But this is what some of the half wig sauce was looking like back in the day. Sliding back in the track was whack cause you could see it. And then don't mess around and have fine hair like me cause it could cover you in prayer. But it sure can't cover that thick track that used to be in the front of those wigs. Just FaceTime me real quick, cousin, so I can show you what to do, honey. Girl, it's seamless now. Girl, it's got comb straps and drawstring. Girl, that means you can shout in this wig even at the Kojic church. People don't know that. Girl, let me just put you on cause you know I do not gatekeep. If I'm fly, you fly, we fly together out here in these half wig streets. Even for the fine hair baddies, cause listen, you need so little leave out that you don't have to worry about. This wig is giving 3C4A water jerry vibes, and back in the day this might have been a hat hair type of situation. But I'm about to show you how I easily blend my natural texture with this half wig from Curlsqueen. Y'all look at that curl pattern right out the bag. I've done nothing to it. And if you're not feeling this curl pattern, they have over 9 textures for natural hair. Now here's the thing, don't judge me, but I already had my hair braided down for another style, so I'm just gonna take out the front plaits of my hair, use that for my leave out. And I know y'all like, girl, you got a scoop full of hair. Look when you stand in front of that white wall. Look at it. Take a gander at that. But don't worry, y'all, you do not need a whole head full of leave out. Look how seamless that front layer is. It's not giving track, it's giving hair. You see that? And with all the security, the combs, the elastic with the silicone strips to hold on to the back of that neck like a good relationship. And then the drawstring. Where is this wig going, honey? You got to, you gotta really want to snatch that wig off for it to come off, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna keep it right there because it's churning over here, okay? Look at the shake test. Ooh, okay. Now, this is out of the bag, so make no mistake, all the ignorance that you about to see me do, you do not have to do. Let me be very clear. That's beautiful in itself right there, okay? Don't sit up here, please don't get up here lying, talk about Now, let me show you how easy this process is, okay? I'm gonna take my two favorite, this is the dynamic duo, that Lotta Body and water. We are going to apply this to kind of get it, you know, I wanna get it a little bit wet, get it moving, because here's the thing, we're gonna cut this, we're gonna shape it, okay? Roll it, shape it, yes, we are. Now, I love big hair, so I don't want it to be drenched. I want it to be wet, but not drenched, okay? Wet, not drenched. It really matters. The more wet that it is, the more defined it's going to be, which is beautiful in its own right. So if you're going for a super defined look, you do want the hair to be just sopping wet, okay? It just kind of depends. I want to have a little bit of definition, but I don't want to sacrifice the volume. I'm a big hair kind of girly. Y'all know that to be true, okay? I like it big, thick, and ignorant. All right? So I'm wetting it, but you know, not all like that. Basically is what I'm saying too. Then I'm applying the Lotta Body. I'm actually going to do this twice because, again, extra, you don't have to do it. Then you want to do the same thing to the other side. And once you're finished with that, now you're going to cut before you put your ringlets. I'm doing ringlets. So if you're going to do ringlets, you want to cut the hair first because there's no purpose of doing the ringlets just to cut them off of there. That's ignorant. Okay? Don't do that. Now, there are so many different ways. I've showed you, y'all know I cut hair over here, okay? So y'all have seen me cut. So many different ways to layer. This is just one of the many ways. You don't have to do all of this, but the key for long curly hair, really long hair in general, in my opinion, I love when it has movement, you guys. The longer it is, the more flat it becomes. The way you rectify that is you add layers. So that's what I'm doing all the way around my head. And I'm taking big sections. A, because I don't have all day. B, because it's gonna get the job done. C, because I like the messy look. Again, if you are going for super clean, defined, you want to take smaller sections, you want to be very intentional about where you're cutting and what you're cutting, how much you're cutting, all of that, okay? Now, this part is also extremely important because you are disrupting those factory curls. As beautiful as they were, if you're going for the look that you saw in the beginning, you got to disrupt that thing. You don't want them to look like twins. You never want your curls to look like twins. At least I don't, okay? They can look like brother and sister with different mamas or daddies or something like that, okay? That's it. That's all. You can put your ringlets in, but you don't have to. That, again, that's just for the end result. That's just for the look that's coming up on the back end. If you don't care anything about that, you don't have to do it. Or you can just put a couple little ringlets in and be through with it. You don't have to do all this, okay? Trust me, just a couple will do the trick because it adds like a dimension, a texture, a style. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna give in the end, trust me. For my leave out, my little scoop full of fine natural hair off in the front, I just wet my hair and use my favorite gel. This is my absolute favorite gel of all time. I've told y'all this a million times. Wetline, yes. And I'm just creating little spirals with my hair, and y'all, believe it or not, that little bit is going to completely cover, because you remember what the front of the half wig looks like. It looks like hair. So in essence, I'm not having to cover up a thick ignorant track. Okay, it's going to look like hair blending into hair. And then that way, when you in church and pastor say turn to Mark chapter such and such, and everybody else done already stood up, and you supposed to have stood up too, because you already supposed to know that that's the second book of the New Testament, because you learned that in Vacation Bible School. You supposed to already know that. But anyway, so they like, girl, she still ain't found it, but they looking at the top of that head, but you get, hey, they not gonna see any sort of levels and layers. They just gonna see hair. That's it. You're not gonna give them any other reason to judge you other than the fact that you don't know where Mark is, and you know you're supposed to be at Sunday school for that, and you don't be coming to Sunday school. So but then they're gonna look at that hair, they're gonna be like, well, she know how to do hair though. We gonna get her right on the books of the Bible though. But see, when you blow dry the hair, you want to make sure that everything is dry, even the ringlets, okay? And you have to take little breaks, because the hair will make you think it's dry and it's not, okay? That's dry right there, all right? You have to, when you blow dry for a little bit and then stop, and then fill it, and then you'll see that it's still a little bit wet. Get it all the way dry. Look at that right there. Come on now. So you can wear it out the box. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Don't tangle it. Don't twist it. But if you want to do it and put your back into it, there are ways. Turn to your neighbor and say ways. As the good brothers of High Five once prophesied, I like the ways you blend me when we playing the blending game. Some of y'all ain't even know they said that. You cannot tell me this does not look natural, and you could flip it. Hey, you do what you want to do. That hair is gonna do what it's supposed to do. I love a good natural looking half wig. All you got to do is shake it, fluff it, and go. That's literally it. You running late for a Zoom meeting, you running late for a parent teacher conference, you running late to go up there to the post office to get your stamps, you need to throw something on real quick. Honey, come on now. And the beautiful thing about this is all the ringlets and drying and stuff, you only have to do that once in a while. Like literally every once in a while. You refresh it as you want to go. But other than that, honey, after this, all you got to do is swap that thing on and off. Yeah, Curlsqueen did it with this one. Loving it, y'all. Y'all feeling this baddie? Let me know in the comments, all right? Peace, love, light.